Hi students, this tip is about your activity called Campus Scavenger Hunt. And as you can see, the directions are at the top and then there are a series of questions. As you look at the questions, you'll notice some of the questions are worth 1 point, it's written at the end, and some of the questions are worth, as you move along, 2 points. So as you go about answering the questions, make sure that if there are multiple questions, you're giving multiple answers for full credit. When you're ready to answer a question, merely go to the end of a question, hit enter, and then start typing your response. After you're finished, if you would like to bold it, highlight it, put in a different color, that'd be fantastic just to make it stand out a little bit more for me, but that's not required. When you're finished, save your entire document and upload it to the Blackboard activity link. But how are you going to go about finding the answers to the questions? So that's where you go to STC's homepage, and it's super easy because there's a handy dandy tool up in the top right hand corner. You can see it right here, the blank space with the magnifying glass, and you can just type in a subject. So if you're looking for the president of the college, you can type that, something about advising, something about tutoring. You type in the main subject and you do a search. I can't guarantee it's always going to be the first link or the second link. Sometimes you have to kind of look through those links, but the answer is definitely in there. Another thing that you can do is scroll down to the bottom of STC's homepage where it says Academic Resources. Click on the second link called Catalogs, and there are all of the catalogs for STC from past semesters and the current semester you can see in purple. So you can also find the answers, of course, in the academic catalog. And then if we go back to the homepage of STC, the website of STC is chock full of tons of information that is on the scavenger hunt, but also just if you need to know information in general. So if you're looking for a question about advising, for example, and you click on the advising link, there's a lot of information within here in the website, but you can also call advising, email them on any of the campuses. So that is definitely another option for you to find the answers to your questions. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, don't hesitate to reach out.